not consent to any searches or seizures.
You need to step out of the car.
No, man.
No, do not step out of the car, Bacon.
She's trying to unlock the door.
Let go.
She's fighting me by the guy call
right now.
Let go.
He's gonna try to open my door too. She just hit me. She just hit
Do
me.
not grab.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In today's video, a man's 16-year-old son was parked at a park after dark. The park closes at sunset, but allowed fishermen to fish all night. The driver was approached by an officer who at some point demanded that he call his father, and he complied. His father then instructed his son what to do next, which included having his passenger begin a recording.
Tell her to videotape now.
She is.
Okay, good. Do not step out of the car. You not commit crime. Do not just say, I do not consent to any searches or seizures. And I do not consent for them to be in your car.
I already told her I don't consent.
At this point, neither the driver or his father knew why the officer had stopped him, but it likely had something to do with the fact that he wasn't currently fishing. The point is, we don't know, and it's possible the officer had arguable reasonable suspicion. And while I personally believe that they should have to detail their specific reasoning for contacting the public, the fact is they don't. In fact, law enforcement officers don't have to tell you if they have reasonable articulable suspicion or even what it was until you appear in court. And that becomes a huge issue when they start pushing harder.
Okay.
No searches, seizures.
I'm not asking you. I'm telling you to step out of the car.
No, do
She's
not
not
step out of the car.
asking me. She's telling me.
Ask for a supervisor. They have to take a supervisor. Hey,
I would like to supervise.
Excuse me?
I would like to supervise.
You need to step out of the car.
No, man.
No, do not step out of the car, Bacon.
I'm not.
listen to her.
I'm not.
Another misconception is that upon request an officer must get you a supervisor, or that if they did, that a supervisor would even be of any use. Now, oftentimes they can be helpful, but if an officer is refusing and starts demanding that you exit your vehicle, at this point, you've reached the zone where even if the officer is wrong and knows it, their ego will push them to manufacture a crime, if one doesn't already exist. Pennsylvania v. Mims is about the only case law that nearly every cop can articulate. It allows an officer to demand that a driver exit their vehicle during a lawful traffic stop. Whether or not this stop was lawful, by the time they tell you to exit, with almost 100% certainty, they will escalate the encounter in any way they can to get you out of that vehicle.
Ask for her badge number and her name. And make sure it's on videotape.
She's trying to unlock the door.
Let go.
She's fighting me by.
Let go. Do not grab me.
She just hit me.
Do not grab.
Is she videotaping?
Jaden, do not
Yeah,
grab.
she's like grabbing me and she hit me in the
Knock
face.
it off.
Is the girl videotaping?
Knock it off.
Yeah, she is.
Okay, good. Ask for a supervisor.
Excuse me?
Ask for a supervisor.
Okay.
Right now.
Now. Tell her a supervisor now.
I did.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
No, don't step out of the car. Is it a cop?
Yeah.
A regular cop?
I guess.
Excuse me?
Okay. No, ask for a supervisor. She has to call a supervisor.
Supervisor.
And ask for her name and her badge number.
What is your name and badge number?
Step out of the car.
What is your name and badge
do not step
number?
out of the car.
I would like your name and badge number.
Step out of the car.
She's not responding. She's not.
Hey,
You're refusing
are you on
to comply
speaker?
with a lawful
Yeah.
order at this time.
Okay. Hey, you need to get a supervisor out there now. You work
Step
for
out of
us.
the
You don't
car.
work. Get a supervisor.
She is not listening.
You also need to step out of the
Well,
car.
she
And
needs
that
to,
is your
because-
decision.
Nobody.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
Do not get out of the car.
Nobody.
It's going to be a litigation against her, and her qualified immunity is going to be gone.
By now, every cop has heard that they're going to get sued and that they're going to lose qualified immunity. But they all know that even if they did lose it, the city or county that they work for will cover them through indemnification, and they will almost never see punitive action.
Tell her not to touch you again. I hope it's on
Do not
videotape.
touch me again.
Okay. I hope it's on videotape.
She's recording.
Good. Ask for a supervisor. Do not get out of the car. Ask for a supervisor. Do not give your license or nothing. You do not commit a crime.
Supervisor, she's right here.
He's gonna hit me.
All right.
You're gonna want to grab this window, so
Here's
watch
right.
him. Ready? I'm gonna unlock. Let go.
He's trying to lock my door.
Let
Listen to
go.
me. Listen to me right now.
Let
If
go
you
of my
touch it
hand.
again,
Let go of my hand.
You will get dog bit.
Call a supervisor. Ask again.
Let go of me.
Ask.
She's trying to
Let go.
she's trying to lock my door, and then the
Ask
guy
again.
next to her también.
Let go.
Ask again. Ask
Now.
the supervisor.
Can I have your supervisor?
Let go of me.
Do not get out.
Let go of her
Do
right
not
now.
Get out.
Bro, the guy
Let go
called
of her right now.
Let go.
He's gonna try to open my door too. He's trying to open my door.
Do not get out. Ask for a supervisor. Yo, ask for a supervisor.
He just got my door. He unlocked my door.
Out of the car.
They're pulling me up, bro.
Get out of the
Oh, hell
car.
no. Let me call your mom.
All right, call her.
The driver in this video was taken to jail, but luckily he was released without charges. But he was almost charged with felony battery on a peace officer, as well as resisting arrest with and without violence. And that is why Attorney Shield's family plan is so important. As we've seen in previous incidents, having an attorney virtually on scene to speak with the officers causes everyone to slow down and de-escalate. They often become the deciding factor in whether or not an incident ends peacefully. With the family plan, you get up to 5 accounts, so even new drivers get legal support within 30 seconds of pressing the button. And no matter how long the encounter takes, there are no extra fees. And Attorney Shield can be used for any police-initiated contact, whether you're walking home, on a bus, or even in a car accident. It would have certainly helped with my most recent video.
I'm telling you, I am the
Okay,
adult
and I'm
here.
telling
This
you
is my home.
that now that I'm inside your house, I own your house
No,
right
you
now.
do not.
Yes, I do.
You're bullshit,
Yes,
bro.
I do.
You're bro.
What I mean?
know my
Okay,
rights.
I don't care if you know your rights.
And I'm telling you, my
So-
dog will bite you if I tell her to bite you.
Tell
So
your
I'm
dog to
asking
bite
you to back
Tell
up.
your dog to bite
And
you.
I will talk to you outside.
I'm not gonna talk to you
What
outside.
the do you want? What the do you want inside my house? Bring your supervisor to my home now. Yeah, bring them all.
We'll turn
You
the music
have no
down. Can you
right
leave
to
us
be
alone?
inside. No, don't
Please.
talk to them.
Please. We'll
You
turn
have
the
no
music
right
down.
to be inside because they opened the door. They're minors. I'm the adult here. This is my home.
She
Get
said she's the adult.
she's not the fucking. She's my daughter. Get the out of my
I'm
home.
not gonna get out of your house.
Then call your fucking supervisor right now
415 noise.
and put me to the fucking ground. I fucking double dog
Go
dare
ahead and
you.
touch me.
This is my
Go
home,
ahead and touch
bro.
me.
You're in my house.
I am telling
You're
you.
in my house. Don't do that. You're in my. I didn't touch you to her. Did I touch you?
As a quick update on that video, I have a ton more info and footage of it, and we'll be going over it in the next couple days. So subscribe for notifications on that, and use my link down below for 10% off your Attorney Shield membership. And of course, if you liked today's video, be sure to let me know by hitting that like button, and check out another episode linked on screen.